Good morning, students, and welcome to the 11th lecture of the derivative. To concentrate our mind, let's do Brahmanath. Om Om Shanti 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 Swastha. Dear students, in previous class we already discussed what is implicit function. What is implicit function? Implicit function means the function which is in the form of f of x comma y is constant, or we can easily say if the function is mixing of x and y, then it is called function of implicit function. This is implicit function. And how to find the derivative of the implicit function we already discussed. I recall you the concept. Write the given function, then differentiate both sides with respect to x, then collect the term containing dy by dx in one side and other terms in other sides. Finally take common dy by dx, then find dy by dx. This is the concept we already discussed. Today I am going to discuss the derivative of the parametric function. But before that, we should know what do you mean by parametric function. Parametric function means the function, suppose x comma y, function of x comma y, if satisfies the by the third common variable theta or t to the function of xy, then it is called parametric function. Okay, for example, x square plus y square equal to r square. If x is equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, then it satisfies the equation of the circle. So the parametric equation of the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square is x is equal to r cos theta, comma y equal to r sin theta. This is the parametric equation of the circle. So parametric from this example we conclude that the parametric, what do you mean by parametric function? Parametric function, okay, parametric function. Now parametric function, what do you mean by parametric function? This is parametric function, clear? So this is definition is the function x is equal to function of t, y is equal to another function of t, where t is common variable, the function which is in the form of the function x equal to f of t, y equal to g of t, where t is the common variable called the parameter, and the function is called, and the above function is called, the parametric function. Okay, for example, this is Cartesian equation, x square plus y square is equal to r square. This is Cartesian equation. This is equation of circle, here x is equal to what? R cos theta, y is equal to R sin theta. This satisfies the above equation. So it is called the parametric equation. Called the parametric equation. Parametric equation of circle. Clear? Parametric equation of the circle. Okay. Then how to find the derivative of the parametric function. Let's discuss how to find the derivative of the parametric equation. The parameter may be theta t. Suppose you are given x is equal to f of theta, y equal to g of theta. Here theta is the common variable and it is called the parametric function. The common variable may be theta, t, etc. Examples of parametric. Examples: x is equal to what? X is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, and y is equal to 1 minus sin theta. It is also an example of parametric function. Okay. So this is another example of parametric function. Parametric function may be in terms of theta or may be in terms of t. Okay. There is common variable, third variable, which is common to both x and y, is called the parameter, and the equation is called, and the function is called parametric function. Very easy. So watch carefully. Now how to find the derivative of the parametric function. Okay. Procedure to find the derivative of the parametric function. Let x is equal to what? F of t, y is equal to g of t be a parametric function. Parametric function. Then step to find dy by dx. Steps to find dy by dx. Step 1. Find dy by dx by dt. Find dx by dt and dy by dt. Step 2. Then dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt, provided dx by dt not equal to 0. If dx by dt equal to 0, then the derivative is not exists. So these are the two steps to find the derivative of the parametric function. Okay, the derivative of the parametric function. Let's work out some problems related to the parametric function. Okay, some problems. Derivative of parametric function. Number 1 question. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx if x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to a sin theta. Here constant a is constant and theta is the parameter. So solution is what? Solution is x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta. Now dx by d theta, here theta is parameter, dx by d theta is equal to what? Cos, derivative of cos theta minus sin theta, so this is a minus a sin theta, and dy by d theta is equal to what? A cos theta. Finally Therefore, dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by d theta whole divided by dx by d theta. So this is equal to what? A cos theta divided by minus a sin theta. Clear? So a cancel, this is equal to a cancel, and this is minus cos theta is the derivative of the dy by dx. Now another question finds dy by dx. Okay, if x is equal to a cos qt, y is equal to a sin qt at t is equal to pi by 4. This is question. So solution is what? Here x is equal to a cos qt, and here y is equal to what? Y is equal to a sin qt. Now find dx by dt. Dx by dt, here a is constant, d by dt of what? Cos qt means cos t whole cube, and this is equal to a into 3 cos square t into derivative of this inside bracket inside term, this is minus sin t. So this is equal to minus 3a cos square t into sin t. Like this, find dy by dt. So dy by ds is equal to what? Dy by dt is equal to a constant. So d by dt of sin qt means sin t whole cube. So apply chain rule. This is equal to what? A into 3 sin square t into derivative of the inside term. This is derivative of sin t with respect to t means cos t. Now dy by ds is equal to what? Now dy by ds is equal to, now dy by dx is equal to dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. So this is equal to what? 3a sin square t into cos t divided by what? Minus 3a cos square t into sin t. So this is equal to 1 sin cancel, 1 cos cancel, a cancel, 3a cancel. So this is equal to 3a cancel, and 1 sin cancel minus what? Minus, this is sin, minus here sin constant, minus sin t by what? Cos t. So this is equal to minus tan t. Now dy by ds at what? T is equal to, now dy by ds is equal to what? Dy by ds is equal to, what? Now dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx at t is equal to, pi by 4. T equal to pi by 4. This is equal to minus 10 pi by 4, which is equal to minus 1. Clear? And which is equal to minus 1. Okay? This is equal to another solution of one question. Now another question. Find dy by dx. Sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square, comma sin y is equal to, this is tan y is equal to 2t by 1 minus t square. So solution, this is equal to what? Sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. So x is equal to what? Sin inverse 2t by 1 plus t square. Similarly, this is tan y is equal to tan y is equal to 2t by 1 minus t square, and y is equal to what? That implies y is equal to tan inverse 2t by 1 minus t square. Now differentiate here dx by dt, differentiate with respect to, or we can put here, put t is equal to what? Tan theta. So x is equal to what? Sin inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So this is equal to what? X is equal to sin inverse of sin 2 theta, which is equal to 2 theta. So x is equal to 2 into theta means what? 2 into theta. Theta means what? Tan inverse t. Tan inverse t. Okay. Then dx by dt is equal to 2 into derivative of tan inverse x, 1 by 1 plus t square. So 2 by 1 plus t square. Like this. This is equal to what? Same thing. Put t equal to tan theta here. So y is equal to what? Y equal to tan inverse 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. This is tan inverse. Y is equal to tan inverse tan 2 theta, which is equal to 2 theta, which is equal to what? 2 theta, 2 theta, that is y is equal to, that implies y equal to 2 theta means what? Tan inverse, because theta is equal to tan inverse t here. Okay, this is theta. So t dy by dt is equal to 2 into 1 by t square means 2 by 1 plus t square. Therefore dy by dx, therefore dy by dx is equal to what? Therefore dy by dx is equal to, therefore dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. So this is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square whole divided by 2t by 1 plus, sorry, 2 by 1 plus t square by 2 by 1 plus t square. So same thing cancel. So this is 1 is the answer. Okay, 1 is the answer. This is equal to what? Dy by ds is equal to dy by dt divided by ds by dt. So same thing, 2 by 1 plus t square and divided by 2 by 1 plus t square. So was cancelled. So final answer is 1. Now another question. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx, comma, if x is equal to 3 cos t minus 2 cos qt and y is equal to 3 sin t minus 2 sin qt at t is equal to what? 5 by 4. This is the question. Now x is equal to what? X is equal to 3 cos t minus 2 cos qt. Okay. Y is equal to what? Y is equal to 3 sin t minus 2 sin qt. This is parameter here t. So dx by dt, 3 constant, d cos t by dt, 2 constant, d by dt of what? Cos qt means cos t whole cube. So this is equal to 3 and this is minus derivative of cos t means minus sin t. Okay, minus 2 into what? 3. This is cos square t into derivative of cos t means minus sin t. So this is equal to minus plus 6 cos square t and sin t into sin t minus 3 sin t. So dx by dt is equal to what? That is dx by dt is equal to, common here, what common? 3 sin t common. 3 sin t common. This is what? This is equal to 2 cos square t minus what? 3. 1. or this is equal to 3 sin t. 2 cos square t minus 1 means what? Cos 2t. This is dx by dt. Okay, dx by dt. This is dx by dt. And now to find dy by dt. dy by dt. dy by dt. dy by dt is equal to 3 constant d by dt. D by dt of sin t here, 2 constant d by dt of sin q t, sin t whole cube, and this is equal to what? 3 sin derivative of sin t means cos t minus 2 into 3 sin square t into derivative of sin t with respect to t. This is cos t. Clear? And cos 3 cos t common. This is equal to 1 minus what? 2 sin square t. So 1 minus 3 cos t, and this is what? Cos 2t. This is cos 2t. Now dy by dx is equal to, now dy by dx is equal to dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. So this is equal to 3 cos t into what? 3 cos t into cos 2t. Cos 2t divided by 3 sin t into cos 2t. So this goes cancel, 3 cancel. This is equal to dy by ds is equal to what? dy by ds is equal to, dy by ds is equal to here cot t, and dy by ds, dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4 means cot pi by 4, which is equal to what? 1. This is answer. Now another question. So this is answer. Okay, dy by ds is equal to what? dy by ds is equal to this cot t. Here this is cot t, here t. Okay, this is cot t, and dy by ds at t equal to what? Pi by 4 is equal to cot pi by 4, which is equal to 1. Now another question. Now very important question number. Another question. This is 5. If x is equal to 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos theta, y is equal to 1 minus cos 2n theta divided by cos n theta, prove that dy by dx whole square is equal to, dy by dx whole square is equal to n square into y square plus 4 divided by x square plus 4. This is very important question for the board examination. So watch carefully. Now solution. X is equal to 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. So this is equal to what? X, that implies x is equal to 1 by cos means sec theta minus here cos theta. Now dx by d theta is equal to derivative of sec theta means sec theta into tan theta, and derivative of sin theta means cos theta means minus sin theta. This is plus sin theta. That is dx by d theta, take common tan theta here. So this is what? Sec theta, and this is sin theta by tan theta. Clear? And this is equal to dx by d theta is equal to tan theta, and this is cos theta, sec theta, and sin by cos means sin by tan means cos theta. Sin theta by tan theta, this sin theta by tan theta means cos theta. Okay. Similarly, now y is equal to what? Y is equal to y is equal to 1 minus cos 2n theta by cos n theta. So separate this is equal to y is equal to sec n theta minus cos n theta. Clear? That implies dy by here theta, not here, this is not t, this is theta and this is theta. Okay, because it is function of theta. So dy by d theta is equal to d by d theta of sec theta whole to the n minus d by d theta cos theta whole to the n. Apply chain rule here. Now what is chain rule? That implies dy by d theta n into sec n minus 1 theta into derivative of sec theta means sec theta into tan theta. So and this is equal to what? This is equal to what? Minus n into cos n minus 1 theta into derivative of cos theta means minus sin theta. So this is equal to what? Now n into sec n theta into tan theta minus a plus n into cos n minus 1 theta into sin theta. Okay, derivative cos theta equal minus sin theta minus plus. So take common here, what will be common? This is equal to n into, this is dy by d theta, n tan theta common. This is equal to what? Sec n theta into cos n minus 1 into theta into sin theta by tan theta. So sin theta by tan theta means what? This is cos theta. So dy by d theta is equal to what? N tan theta into sec n theta. This is cos n minus 1 theta into what? Sin by tan means cos theta. So dy by d theta is equal to what? Dy by d theta is equal to n into tan theta sec n theta plus cos n theta. This is dy by d theta. Okay, this is dy by d theta. Right? Now to prove what? Dy by dx. Now to find dy by dx. Now dy by ds is equal to what? Dy by dx. Now dy by ds is equal to, now dy by dx, this is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So this is equal to what? N into tan theta, this is sec n theta plus cos n theta divided by here tan theta into sec theta plus cos theta. So tan theta goes cancel. Now dy by dx whole square is equal to what? Dy by dx whole square is equal to, this is n square into sec n theta plus cos n theta, this is whole square, divided by sec theta plus cos theta whole square. So this is equal to what? N square a plus b whole square is equal to what? A minus b whole square plus a minus b whole square plus. This is what? Sec n theta minus cos n theta whole square plus 4 sec n theta into cos n theta. Clear? Similarly, divide by, this is what? Divide by sec theta minus cos theta whole square plus 4 into sec theta into cos theta. Sec into cos is equal to what? 1. So this is equal to n square. What is this value? This is y value. So this is y square, and cos into sec, this is 1. This is 1. So this plus 4 into 1, 4 divided by here sec theta minus cos theta means x. So this is equal to what? X square. Cos into sec, this is cos theta, this is sec theta, so this is 1, which is dy by dx whole square is equal to this. This is proved. This is very important, and in this method this can be done easily. Another method it will be hard. So follow this method. Okay. Look carefully, dear students. This is a very important question. So look carefully. Okay. This is important for the council exam, also for CPS exam. So watch carefully this question. Okay. Then another question. If x is equal to cos qt divided by root over cos 2t, y is equal to sin qt divided by square root of cos 2t, find dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4. Okay, this is very important questions. So now find solution. What is x? X is equal to cos qt divided by root over cos 2t. Now dx by dt, d by ds dt of what? Cos qt divided by root over cos 2t. Apply u by v formula. This is equal to what? This is dt. Okay. So apply u by v formula. U by, that implies dx by dt is equal to what? V du root over cos 2t into derivative cos qt means 3 cos square t, and derivative cos t here minus sin t. V du minus u dv. U means what? Cos qt into derivative root over cos 2t. Derivative root x means 1 by 2 root x formula. So apply 2 into cos 2t. Again the inside derivative inside value. Derivative cos 2t means minus 2 sin 2t. Clear? 2 to cancel, and this is divided by what? Divided by cos 2t root over whole square. Cos 2t. So this is equal to what? Now dy by dx by dt is equal to, this is cos 2t, here minus sign because minus present, so we can write here minus what? 3 cos 2t into cos square t into sin t. Here minus plus, this is cos ut into sin 2t means 2 sin t into cos t. Clear? And divide by cos 2t power 3 by 2. This is root over LCM. Okay. Then dx by dt is equal to what? Here this is sin t cos t common. Take common sin t and cos t common. So what is here? This is sin t cos 2 cos qt. This is 2 into cos qt, and minus here cos t sin t goes cancel, so minus 3 cos t cos 2t into cos t. So whole divided by what? Cos 2t power 3 by 2. So dx by dt is equal to sin t into cos t. This is equal to what? 2 cos square here, 2 cos qt, and 3 into what? 1 2 cos square t minus 1 into cos t. Clear? And the whole divided by cos 2t power 3 by 2. Okay, this is what? Sin t cos t, 2 cos qt minus 3 cos square this, and multiply this. Now multiply this. What will be the result? What will be the result? And this is equal to what? And this is equal to dx by dt is equal to sin t into cos t into what? 2 cos qt minus 6 cos square t cos qt and minus plus 3 cos t. So this is equal, divide by what? Cos 2t power 3 by 2, and dx by dt is equal to sin t into cos t, and this is what? Minus 4 cos qt plus 3 cos t. So take common, divide by here cos 2t power 3 by 2. So dx by dt is equal to, minus common here, sin t into cos t, and this is 4 cos qt minus 3 cos t, whole divided by what? Cos 2t power 3 by 2. So this is equal to what? Minus sin t into cos t, this is cos 3 divided by cos 2t power 3 by 2. This is dx by dt. Okay, now to find dy by dt. Like, watch carefully. This is very long question, and watch carefully. Okay, watch carefully. This is very long questions and lengthy one also. So watch carefully. Okay, my dear students. Now to find dy by dt. Okay. Now to find dy by dt. Here y is equal to what? Y is equal to sin qt divided by root over cos 2t. Okay. So dy by dt use derivative of u by v. So root over what? Cos 2t into derivative of sin qt means 3 sin square t, chain rule, derivative of sin q, 3 sin square t into derivative of sin t means cos t, minus u dv means sin qt into derivative of root over cos 2t. Root over cos 2 means 1 by 2 root over cos 2t into derivative of inside value, that is derivative of cos 2t minus 2 sin 2t. Clear? So this cancel, whole divided by this is dy by dt here, right? Dy by dt divided by root over cos 2t whole square, means root over cos 2t, and dy by dt is equal to what? This cos 2t into 3 sin square t into cos t, this minus plus, and derivative of sin t here cos t. Clear? And this is what? Sin qt into 2 sin t into cos t. Okay, divide by cos 2t power 3 by 2, because one power root. So take common here, dy by dt is equal to common sin t into cos t, common sin t into cos t, remaining here 3 into what? Sin t into cos 2t, here plus 2 into sin qt. This is the remaining after common. So divide by cos 2t power 3 by 2. So this is equal to what? This is equal to, this is equal to, and this is equal to what? dy by dt is equal to, dy by dt is equal to what? Sin t into cos t, and this is equal to what? This is equal to, this is equal to sin t into cos t, 3 sin t into 1 minus 2 sin square t plus 2 sin q t divided by what? Divided by cos 2t power 3 by 2. Now this is equal to dy by, that implies sign here, dy by dt is equal to what? Dy by dt sin t into cos t into what? Multiply this, 3 sin t minus 6 sin square t sin qt, right, plus 2 sin qt divided by cos 2t power 3 by 2. So dy by dt is equal to what? Sin t into cos t. So this is what? And this is equal to 3 sin t, and this is sin qt, right? 3 sin t minus what? 4 sin qt by cos 2t power 3 by 2. Now dy by dt is equal to sin t into cos t into, this is sin 3t divided by cos 2t power 3 by 2. This is value of dy by dt. Now dy by ds is equal to what? Now dy by ds is equal to, therefore dy by ds is equal to what? Dy by ds is equal to, therefore dy by ds is equal to, dy by ds is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So this is equal to dy by dt means what? Sin t into cos t into sin 3t divided by cos 2t power 3 by 2 whole divided by, this is equal to what? This is dy by dx is equal to, here minus sin t into cos t into cos 3t divided by cos 2t power 3 by 2. So this cancel and this cancel. Now dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by ds is equal to minus tan 3t. Dy by ds at what? Dy by ds is at t is equal to pi by 4. So minus tan 3 pi by 4 minus tan 3 pi by 4 means at 135 degree 3 pi by 4 means lies in what? Which quadrant? Second quadrant. So negative. So minus what? Minus of minus 1, this is 1. This is the final answer of the, okay. Now another question. So minus of minus 1, this is tan 3 pi by 4 means 3 pi by 4 means 135 degree. Tan 135 degree minus 1, but before minus sign present, so answer is 1. Clear? Now another question. So that dy by ds is independent of t if x is equal to cos inverse 1 by root over t square plus 1, y equal to sin inverse t by root over t square plus 1. Now solution. X is equal to cos inverse 1 by square root of t square plus 1. Put t is equal to tan theta because it is in the form of root over x square plus a square. So what is x? X is equal to, therefore implies x is equal to cos inverse 1 by, this is tan square theta plus 1. So x is equal to what? Cos inverse of 1 by cos sec theta. So this is equal to x is equal to cos inverse of cos theta. So theta is this is called theta. Theta means what? This is theta is equal to tan inverse t. So x is equal to tan inverse t. Now dx by dt is equal to derivative of tan inverse t, 1 by 1 plus t square. Similarly, y is equal to here. Y is equal to here sin inverse t by root over t square plus 1. Okay. So put t equal tan theta. Put t equal to here what? Put equal tan theta and theta is equal to what? Tan inverse t. So y, that implies y is equal to sin inverse tan theta divided by root over tan square theta plus 1. So y is equal to what? Sin inverse tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta root over sec theta. So sec by tan y equal to what? Sec theta by tan theta by sec theta. This is suppose what? Tan theta by sec theta. Means what? This is equal to sin theta by cos theta into what? Sec theta. So which is equal to sin theta. So tan by sin, this is equal to what? Tan by sec theta is equal to sin theta. So y is equal to sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta. So theta means this is equal to what? Y is equal to tan inverse t. So dy by dt is equal to 1 by 1 plus t square. Now therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So 1 by 1 plus t square divided by 1 by 1 plus t square. So this goes cancel and this is equal to 1, which is independent of t, which is independent of t. So this is proved. Now another question. Then another question, x is equal to a sin inverse t root over y equal to a cos inverse to root over. Then prove that dy by ds equal to minus y by x. Solution: x is equal to square root of a sin inverse t and y is equal to root over a cos inverse t. Okay. Now it is easy if x into y. This is root over what? A sin inverse t into a cos inverse t. So this is equal to x into y is equal to, this is alternate method and this is easy, and a to the power sin inverse t plus cos inverse t whole to the power what? Whole to the power 1 by 2. So this is equal to what? xy is equal to a to the power sin inverse t into cos inverse t, that is pi by 2 whole to the power 1 by 2. This is equal to a to the power pi by 4. Okay, this is pi by 4 and this is 4. A to the power, this is a to the power pi by 4. So xy is equal to what? Xy is equal to a to the power pi by 4. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So d by dx of xy is equal to derivative of constant 0, and apply unity formula VDU. Y into derivative of x1 plus x into dy by dx is equal to what? 0. So x into dy by dx is equal to minus y, and dy by dx is equal to what? Minus y by x. This is proved. And another question. This is another question. Now x is equal to solution. This is question, x is equal to what? A into cos t plus log of 10 t by 2. Okay. And dx by dt. This is a constant. Derivative of cos t means what? Sin t, and derivative of log 10 t by 2. Log x means 1 by x, so 1 by 10 t by 2 into derivative of 10 t by 2 means 10 means sec square t by 2 into what? 1 by 2. Okay. then dx by dt is equal to a. This is equal to what? This is equal to minus sin t. This is sec square t by 2 means 1 plus tan square t by 2 divided by 2 tan t by 2. And this is equal to a minus sin t, and this is what? 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta means sin 2 theta. This is 1 by what? Sin t, because 2 tan t by 2 by 1 plus tan square 2 means sin 2 it, because जदि एटा ऊपर था बोले sin 2 t था, sin t था उल्टी जाइए 2 देखो ये 2 tan t by 2 by 1 plus tan square t by 2. This is sin t, but कौन अच्छी reciprocal, so 1 by sin t है जो, that is equal to a, and this is what? Minus sin square t plus 1 by sin t. So 1 minus sin square t means what? Cos square t. This is cos square t by sin t. Clear? And this is equal to a cot t into what? A cot t into cosec t. This is dx by dt now, and this is what? Dy by dt. Now dy by dt is equal to what? Dy by dt. Y is equal to given a sin t. So dy by dt is equal to a cos t. Now therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So a cos t divided by what? A into cot t into what? Cosec t. So a cancel, cot t. So cot t here cancel. This is what? A sin t and cosec t. So what will happen here? This is silly mistake here. This is cos square t by sin t. This is what? This is equal to, suppose this is, write this, okay, nothing else. So divide by what? ds by dt means, this is dy by dt means what? Dy by dt means a cos t divided by ds by dt means a into cos square t divided by what? Sin t. So a cancel. This is equal to 1 cos cancel here, and sin becomes this sin t by here cos t. So dy by dx is equal to what? Tan t, which is proved. Dy by ds equal to tan t. These are all about the derivative of the parametric function. So for more questions you refer your textbook, R.D. Sharma and any other books. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you again. Thank you.